In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Throne and Liberty not opening on your Windows computer. So in order to fix this and get the game running, you first need to launch up the Steam application and then head over to Library in the top navigation. Locate Throne and Liberty from your list of games, then we need to right click and come over to Properties. Click on Installed Files, and then we're just going to press Verify Integrity of Game Files. This is just going to ensure that all of our files are in order and nothing's damaged or missing. Once this verifying gets to 100%, you can then close out of this window, and you're then going to right click again on Throne and Liberty, select Manage, and then come into Browse Local Files. Head inside of the TL folder, click on Binaries, Win64, and then you'll see this tl.exe file. What you need to do is just right click on this, head into Properties, click on the Compatibility tab, and then make sure you have Disable Full Screen Optimizations and also Run this program as administrator, both ticked. Then click on Apply and OK. And then you can try double clicking on this tl.exe file and check to see if that's now launching into the game. If that still hasn't solved the issue, another thing you can try doing is heading over to your Start menu, searching for Settings, and then clicking on the Settings window. From the left hand side, scroll down to Windows Update, and then press this Check for Updates button in the corner here. This will just ensure that we are running the latest operating system on our system. If you do have outdated software, then you'll need to go ahead and install that now. Once you're fully up to date inside of Windows, we can then head back over to the Steam application, and if you're still not able to launch the game, the last thing I'd recommend doing is right clicking on Throne and Liberty in the game section, come over to Properties, and inside of General you'll see this section for Launch Options. Now inside of here you just need to type in the -DX11, and then you can close out of this window to save that setting, and that's just going to launch up the game using DirectX 11. Sometimes this can also solve the issue. So once you've tried that, we can right click on the game and try launching it. And that's it guys. Hopefully by following all of these steps, that's now fixed any launching issues you're getting with the game. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.